This is a quick video to show you how to replace the floppy channel and the CPU board on a Tracer ST diskette duplicator. With the back cover off the machine, you have to remove the back panel. Just two thumb screws. They're also keyed. If you need to, if they're too tight, you can use a flathead screwdriver to help you. The fan comes off. There's a cable that plugs into the CPU board. Just unplug that. It's keyed, so you can't plug it in incorrectly when you put it back together. If it doesn't go in, you got it backwards. And then this is the CPU board. It's the bottom board's got to come out first. You can't take the top board out first. Just keep twisting and twisting and twisting. The board's going to come out. You can also pull here. That'll help you get it out a little bit. Just keep twisting. That's the CPU board. And get that out. Now we do the floppy channel next. Remove the data cable. It's keyed as well. There's a key here, there's a key there, so you can't plug it in backwards. And then there's two little white clips here. You take them from the inside and you pull them, and they open up, and then the board slides out. That's the floppy channel board. The floppy channel board comes out last. It goes back in first. So when you're replacing it in a system, these little white rails, make sure it's lined up on the white rails. Top board goes like that. Slide it in. Push it all the way in so it locks in. These have to be flush, otherwise the board isn't in. If the board has trouble going in, you can lift it from the bottom a little bit and then push as well. Put the data cable back, or no, actually we'll wait for the data cable. We'll put the CPU board in next. Just lines up on those white rails. Screw it back together. It's got to be all the way in. You could use a screwdriver to make sure it's completely tight. But it needs to be all the way in. It needs to be flush with like the board there. That's how you know it's all the way in. So we'll put the data cable back on the floppy channel board. That's in. Now we're going to put the fan back on. The red stripe goes to the outside of the loader. Like that. And these just screw back in. Make sure they're firm and tight, and that's it. That's how you change the CPU and the floppy channel board.